Hey everybody, it's Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today with this 2006 Toyota 4Runner that we just got. This is the 4th gen 4Runner. Obviously, as you can see, it has a little bit of lift on it. It's got some 33 by 1250, 18-inch Toyo tires and chrome XD wheels. The chrome's showing its age a little bit with the pitting on the inside of the spokes there, but not too awful. The tires are in really good shape, as you can see. This is a 3-owner vehicle, and all 3 were relatively in the same area, right here in southeastern Virginia and one in northeastern North Carolina. So as you can see, there's no rust underneath of it. It's very solid, very good shape. It runs and drives perfectly. This one has the V8. It is an SR5. It is 4-wheel drive. It is, of course, an automatic. The body on it's in excellent shape. It's got a clean history report with 1 minor accident showing minor rear bumper damage. And you can see that it's been repainted, but the paint looks very good on it. I think the hood's been repainted, maybe the front right fender there. But if you look at the rest of the truck, you'll see the original paint fading at the top edges right here, but not too hateful at all. I mean, overall this thing is super clean. I just like to point any negatives out. This is in fact a 20-year-old vehicle, so it's not going to be perfect, but overall in excellent shape. Runs and drives perfect, like I said. We just got a brand new inspection sticker put on it yesterday. Interior is very clean. Everything works well on it. It does have the electric trailer brake there. You can't smell smoke in here, but there's obviously a burn there and one on the passenger seat there. And I have an interior guy, he just hasn't made it by here yet to fill those spots in for me. But we should have that taken care of in the next few days. 2006 with 159,762 on it. Air blows super cold. It's nice and cool in there right now. Rear entertainment, you don't see that too often in 4Runners. And then this is nice and clean back here. Not all scratched up or stained. Of course, those seats, they fold if you ever need that kind of cargo space. Of course, tow package. Just a super clean 4Runner. So we've got this thing here for you, 4th gen 2006 Toyota 4Runner right here, Holiday Motors, 3203 Victor Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. And we can also help arrange for shipping and delivery if needed. And of course, top dollar for your trade. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching as always.